Want to earn passive income with your crypto holdings? In this video, I'll explain how to provide liquidity and earn rewards on Crypto.com's DeFi ecosystem. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Liquidity providing involves depositing token pairs into liquidity pools, enabling trading on decentralized exchanges while earning fees. First, you'll need the Crypto.com DeFi wallet. Navigate to the dApps section and find a decentralized exchange like VVS Finance or Chronoswap. Select liquidity and choose which token pair you want to provide. You'll need an equal value of both tokens according to the current pool ratio. Approve the tokens for trading, then add your liquidity to the pool. You'll receive LP liquidity provider tokens representing your share of the pool. A crucial pro tip: understand impermanent loss before providing liquidity. It occurs when the price ratio of your tokens changes significantly. Start with stablecoin pairs or correlated assets to minimize risk. Also, consider the APY and pool fees to maximize your returns. And just like that, you're putting your crypto assets to work generating passive income. Providing liquidity is an advanced but rewarding DeFi strategy. Which liquidity pools are you most interested in? Share your research in the comments. This concludes our Crypto.com Advanced Features series for now. Thanks for watching.